Hello everyone, today I'm going to crochet cowl. It is very easy. I am using this beautiful pink yarn. It is medium yarn number 4 and also 5mm crochet hook. And to start, make a slip stitch and make 84 chains. The length of the chain is around 24 inches, and now we are going to slip stitch in the first chain, but we need to be sure our chain is not twisted. Slip stitch in the first chain, chain 3, double crochet in the next chain, but turn the chain to the other side, and as you can see, this is this loop in between these two. So we will crochet the double crochet in this loop. For the next stitch, it is this loop, another loop. But even if you choose to crochet different way, it's okay. And also you can use any yarn what you have, just to make sure the cowl is big enough to fit through your head. So like this, we will continue in each stitch one double crochet, sometimes it is hard to go on. Okay, so and this way we get this nice finish from both sides. So continue like this until you reach the last stitch. I'm going to make my last stitch and just check if your work is not twisted. Make slip stitch in this third chain. So this is first I finished the second row. Now slip stitch in the first stitch, and we will repeat row 2 over and over. And don't forget to turn your work all the time when you start a new row, like this. Chain 2, turn, and start here. So this is our pattern for the cowl, and you will repeat this row until you are happy with the height of the cowl. You can also make it super long to go over your head, but in this case I will crochet just around 12 inches, and I will see you then. I finished the cowl. I made 24 rows in total. It's a pretty. I love the color also. It's light pink. I'm going to hide the yarn strings, and the cover is done. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.